Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on mouse click lock in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on mouse click lock in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on install. Now click on settings. Click on install. Now scroll down. So click on Windows System. Now click on Control Panel. After, click on mouse and here option turn on click lock. So click it. Check this box. Click on apply. Click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on mouse click lock in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.